This is Ioqm 2020 solution or pre-RMO plus RMO. In this question, I will be solving from question number 9. Okay, so we got a triangle ABC. This is the triangle. AB5, AC4, BC6. The internal angle bisector of C is represented this. So let's intersect at D. Even in the point taken on the sides of BC and AC. Respectively, such that DM is parallel to AC and DN is parallel to BC. So we have drawn our diagram. That's ready. So let's add it up together. So Mn square is P by Q. P and Q are the relative prime numbers, prime integers, then the sum of the digits of mod of P minus Q. Again, sum of the digit. So CD is a bisector of C. So AD by BD is 4 by 6. That is 2/3. So this is from the theory. AD is 2. So if we just take BD equal to 3 for the sake of our calculation, and DH parallel to BC. So in this case, AD by BD is equal to AN by MC, that is equal to 2 by 3. So NC equal to 3 by 5 into 4, so that is 12 by 5. And again, DM parallel to AC, so DM by MC is BD by DA, that is equal to 3 by 2. So in this case, MC is 2 by 5, not 6, so 12 by 5. So DMCM, this thing is a rhombus. Now as this so now we are to apply the cos C formula. So cos C equal to B square plus C square minus A square. So 6 square plus 4 square minus 5 square into product of these three equal to 12 by 5 square plus 12 by 5 square minus Mn square divided by 2 into 12 by 5 square. So solving, we get Mn square is 126 by 25. So it will give you P by Q, the ratio. So mod of P minus Q is 101. So the sum of the digits is 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 2 is the answer. Next. Question number 10. 5 students take a test on which any integer score from 0 to 100 inclusive is possible. So what is the largest possible difference between the median and the mean of the scores? Okay. So median and mean of the scores. So let the 0, 0, 0, 100, 100. If we take this extreme case, so the difference is median, maximum difference median minus mode. Mean is the average, median is, if you just place it in the ascending or descending order, then the middlemost value. So mean is here 5 by 200, so mean is 40. And median is 0, so it is in the middlemost, so the max difference is 40 minus 0 modulus, so 40. So they have taken 0 to 100, so that's why we had to take the extreme value. So answer to this question is 40. 11. X equal to from minus 5 to plus 5, and S is AB, X into X square AB. So these two least common 0. So how many elements are there in the set? It's easy. So X square plus AX plus B, and this thing X square plus BX plus A. Just take it. So this is X cube. This will be AX square plus bx. So minus ax square plus a, and obviously again Finally, a square x plus a into b plus 1. So if a common root is there, so obviously a square x into a into b plus 1 must be a factor of x square plus ax plus b. So x equal to minus of b plus 1 by a. So this is the root of the equation x square plus ax plus b. So if it is the root, so we can put this value over here. So b plus 1 by a whole square minus a into b plus 1 square, that is divided by a, plus b equal to 0. So solving, a will be getting plus minus b plus 1. Now once this has been done, almost our job is done. So a minus b equal to 1, a plus b equal to minus 1. So the s will be, the possible set is minus 1 0, 0 minus 1, minus 2 and 1, 1 and minus 2, then minus 3 and 2, and 2 and minus 3. Similarly in that way, minus 4 and 3, so it will be doubled, minus 5 and 4, it will 4 and minus 5, 3 and minus 4, then 2 1, 3 2, 4 3, 5 4, minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4, and 1 0. So 0 minus 2 is also there. So 0 minus 3, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 5, and 0 minus 6 are also the solutions. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 23. So 24 possible solutions are in there.